What's up, guys? I finally made it to Yosemite, the Yosemite National Park. Welcome to an adventure. It just started like literally less than 10 minutes ago, and I'm losing my breath already. Day one of testing out my new hiking boots. Wish me luck. For day one, we kept it short and sweet. We arrived to the park a little late. We were only able to do the trail that's next to the entrance. This side of the park was very beginner friendly. People were walking in their sandals. It's like a little troll around the park. What I found interesting was that my friends mentioned that they don't have to go to Sequoia Park anymore. You can say it's like an introduction to what Sequoia would be like. Don't take my word for it though, I've never been there. Since our Airbnb was in the neighboring city, Oakhurst, we decided to conserve our energy and kill some time and explore the city while we wait for our Airbnb to let us in. So we heard about this trolley and we gave it a try. You get a tour of the whole little city.
Like Inland Empire, like San Bernardino, Riverside. Oh, Joshua Tree, yeah.
Oh, I'm a sucker for peanut brittle.
Bro, they smell Angie's pasta.
I would highly suggest to get an Airbnb at Oakhurst because it's like half an hour away from the main entrance. And it's better to do that than spend $400 a night at a hotel.
Okay. What is Kamala Harris's guilty pleasure? Old people smell.
Welcome to day two. Super important for you guys to know is that from the main entrance, the waterfalls, if you want to see any waterfalls, it will be an hour away from the main entrance. Hello guys, welcome to day two of traveling to Yosemite. This time we are gonna be hiking for waterfalls. Yesterday was very dry and we were at Mariposa Grove. Today's more a lot of the views. Guess how our parking looks. It's like, I don't know who this is. This is our car. We look like fucking assholes. We found a way. There's a will, there's a way. Yeah, people are kind of parking like a little dumb at this point. Check out the fan. My new water backpack. Bought it just for this trip. And also my shoes. I'll show you.
The perspective of the camera. Did you know that?
Then maybe we just leave it like that. I didn't know that shit.
look at the wait behind us. Wait for the bus.
I think they come by every half hour or so, but we'd refuse to walk like an hour to get to our next location.
Just because the hike is already a 4-hour hike, so we're not going to do all that.
But at least we're resting.
Oh, let me leave a review on my shoes. They are indeed waterproof. I dip a whole foot in there. No water got in. You too, huh?
I think it's
Colombia's right.
I think it actually says it on the side.
Colombia? Yeah. Be careful with the buses, guys. If you come during the weekend, I would highly suggest bringing a bike and traveling around the park that way, because the wait to get into these buses is ridiculous, and you only get in if people get out on your stop.
Yeah. So straight with how you said, and then up the Mystic how you said, and then up the back. There you go.
Is that where we're headed? By the way, Vernal Falls is a total of 4 miles total, there and back.
Actually, we're still going up, but dude, it's like everything. Okay, it wasn't what I expected, but it was everything I would want it to be so far. There's more to go. I'm not sure where. I'm not sure if it's gonna take us to the very top of the waterfall, but I hope it does. It got so like watery, misty, showery that I couldn't pull out my phone and show you guys. But the few clips I did get, fire. You'll get the idea. Despite the ridiculous crowds right now at the park, I would rate this a 100 out of 10. I would totally do this again. There's just something about seeing the waterfall and all the water just soak you entirely that makes you get a bunch of adrenaline and just excitement to keep going through your hike. It was amazing.